So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I am here with the very amazing script of PTC ads watching website. So basically this is the PTC Pro latest version script and it is completely in a mobile app view. So if you want to buy this script from us, you can contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in description. You can contact us and easily buy this script and we will give you a complete support with this script. So if you need this complete website with domain name and hosting, we also build the complete website. So now let's start this video, and in this video I will give you the demo of this website. And first of all, let's log into our user panel and let's see how it looks like. And here I have to enter my password, and as I already have an account, so I'm not going to create an account, so I will log in with my existing account. So if you don't have an account, here you can see the sign up button. You must have to sign up, but I have an account, so I will just directly sign in. So here you can see that it has redirected me to my user panel, and you can see the amazing look of its user panel. Here you can see user registration bonus. Here you can see the validity of that bonus, and here you can see 15% off banner. Here you can turn on off dark mode from here, so you can see how amazing its look is. And here you can see your total deposits, total withdraw, total balance, total investment, and here you can see your latest transaction. So basically this is a PTC ads watching website, and here you can see all the notification related to users on the notification section. And let me scroll here, and when you go to account, here you can see the account section. You can see your profile, you can change your password. Here is a recharge option, and here you can recharge with any gateway you want. You can create gateway from admin panel, and this is the gateway section. You can deposit with it, and here is cash out, mean this is a withdraw section. You can withdraw your money from this website using any of the gateway you want. So here you go to plan section. So currently you can see that there are some plans over the site, but you can change them from admin panel and you can insert your own plans from admin. So this is the plan section right here. So here are the tasks. User can see its task, all the assigned task here. So these are all the tasks, and here you can see the amount of money that we earned on the task. And basically you can change the currency of the website to any your local currency you want. And here you can see the referral section, refer and earn, and logout section. So it has a very amazing look, and it is completely new in market for PTC and referral system. So this is the user dashboard as I showed you before. Here by clicking to history, here you can see your task history, transactions history right here, and there is only one transaction. You can see that here. You can click and deposit, withdraw, support, app. Here when you click on agent, you will be redirected to a WhatsApp group and logout option. So this is the user panel of this website. Now let's go to its admin panel and let's see how its admin will looks like. And I will show you how we can control this website from admin panel. So now let's directly go to the admin login page. So here you can see that I am on the admin login page of PTC Pro website, and now here I have to enter my admin credentials in order to enter to my admin dashboard. So I will just directly enter my admin username. So my username is admin, and here I have to enter my password. And when I click on login, it will redirect me to the admin dashboard. So here you can see the amazing look of its dashboard, and here you can see your total deposits, total withdrawals, and let me clear you that you can use it in any currency you want. You can use it in USD or any local currency you want. So you can use it in any currency. So here you can see your total notifications, all of these things you can see right here. Here you can see the change the admin credentials, and here from referral commissions you can set the referral commission up to different levels on PTC view, plan subscription, on any you want to set. You can set it from here, and you can also disable it. So if you want to create a subscription plan, mean if you want to create a plan on the website, PTC plan on the website, here you can see all the plans, and you just have to click on add new, and you can easily add a new plan from here. So you can add as many as plans you want. So from here you can insert the PTC ads. So you just click on add new, and you can insert a new PTC ad from here. So you can see inactive, active, pending, rejected ads from here. And from manage user, you can manage all the users on the website. You can add balances to their account, you can change their details. So these are all the, you can see the ban user, KYC and verified user. So let's go to payment gateway. So you can use automatic payment gateways as well as manual gateways. So you can create any gateway you want. So from deposit, you can approve or reject the deposit request of users. From withdrawal, you can approve or reject the withdrawal request of users. So here is a support ticket option. From support tickets, admin can communicate with user and admin can see all the support tickets of user. So from report, admin can view the report of website. So let's go to general settings. From general setting, you can see change the site title, you can change the currency, you can change the currency symbol, and you can change everything from here. So this is the you can turn on off email notification, email verification, force SSL, registration bonus, everything you can control it from general settings. So if you want to change the logo of website, just come here and you can easily select the logo and change the logo and favicon of the website. So from extension, you can insert external extension, live chat, anything you want to insert, you can do it from here. From language, you can insert any local language you want. From SEO manager, you can manage SEO. From ad settings, you can you can adjust the settings of user ads from here. So you can insert all of them from here. So from notification, you can manage all email settings, SMS settings, everything. You can manage it from notifications. And from manage template, you can change the template. From manage section, so here you can see all the sections that are on our user home page, and you can change all of them, you can edit them, you can insert anything you want on the home page. So you can manage, this is how you can manage this website. And in this video, I guided you completely about this PTC Pro website and its admin panel. So this is completely in a mobile app view, and it has a very amazing look, and it is completely new in market. So if you want to buy this script, or if you need complete website, you can contact us. The WhatsApp link is in description. You can contact us and buy this script from us. So thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel.